How to fix login issue in Google Antigravity. So, in general, this usually happens due to expired authentication tokens, browser cache problems, or temporary server issues. So, it could depend whether you're using it inside the Antigravity app or you're just using it on your browser. But usually, you're most likely using it in the app itself since so you can start by refreshing the page or even signing out of your Google account. Not just the general app or website itself. You're gonna have to sign out of the actual browser that you're using or the actual tool that you're using. Then you can log back in to re-authenticate the session. Since if the issue continues, you can clear your browser cache and cookies or even try opening Antigravity in another browser or even in incognito or in a private window. But this pretty much just removes your stored login data that might be causing conflicts with the authentication process. And after you've done that, you can also go ahead and try turning off your extensions, not just in the app, but in your browser. So you can go ahead to the extension in your browser and try turning them off one by one or turning them all off altogether and seeing if the login issue still occurs. Once you've turned it all off, you're gonna have to find the specific extension that is giving this error, or maybe it's all of them. So you're gonna have to test that out yourself since the extensions you have can be different from other users, of course. After that, you're going to check that your Google account permissions are allowed for the platform. If the login issue or the login error still appears, you're going to have to wait a few minutes and try again since there are occasional server or API issues that can temporarily block authentication. And finally, updating your browser or even restarting your device may also help resolve the problem. Those are a few things you can put in mind if you are having this login error. This is usually just a temporary thing that is solved by restarting a few things, but hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.